With the release just around the corner, we've got all the details you need, from the expected keynote date to when you can get your hands on the new iPhones. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Hey, tech lovers. Today we're diving into the hottest topic in the world of smartphones, Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series. Let's kick things off with some production news. According to the latest reports, mass production of the OLED displays for the iPhone 16 series is in full swing. Samsung is reportedly producing a whopping 80 million displays, while LG is handling around 43 million. This is great news because it means everything is on track, no delays in sight. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. So why does this matter? Simple. It's a strong indication that the iPhone 16 series is set to hit the shelves in September. For Apple fans, this is the most exciting time of the year, and everything points to a smooth launch. Now, let's talk about the dates you need to mark on your calendar. If all goes according to plan, the big reveal, Apple's famous keynote, will likely happen on Tuesday, September 10th. And here's what's even better. You can expect to pre-order your new iPhone starting Friday, September 13th, with the official release, likely on September 20th. But hold on, we all know Apple loves to keep us on our toes. While these dates are solid predictions, there's always a chance they could shift by a day or two. One thing's for sure though, Apple avoids September 11th for obvious reasons, so don't expect the keynote to land on that date. To wrap things up, it looks like we're all set for an exciting September with the iPhone 16 series. Stay tuned for the official announcement, likely in the first week of September, and be sure to check back here for more updates. If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which iPhone 16 model you're most looking forward to. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.